Hello everyone, I'm Vanessa Montilla, Physical Therapy Intern from RTR Medical Foundation in Tacloban City. And for today's video, we're going to be talking about vertigo. Vertigo is a medical condition that is characterized by spinning sensation, where a person feels like they or the objects around them are moving or spinning. Attacks of vertigo can develop suddenly and last for a short while or for a very long hours or even days. It can happen at any age, but common in older people about 65 years and over. Now for its pathophysiology. Vertigo is caused by mismatch in sensory inputs that are responsible for maintaining your posture. These inputs are vision from your eyes, proprioception from your joints, and signals from your vestibular system. The vestibular system is the most important system to understand when we are learning about vertigo. The vestibular apparatus is located in the inner ear, and it consists of 3 loops called the semicircular canals that are filled with fluid called the endolymph. These semicircular canals are oriented in different directions to detect different movements of the head. So as the head turns, the fluid shifts within the canal. This shift in fluid is detected by small hairs called stereocilia that are found in a section of the canals called ampulla. This sensory input of shifting fluid is transmitted to the brain by the vestibular nerve and let the brain know that the head is moving. The vestibular nerve carries signals from the vestibular apparatus to the nucleus in the brainstem and also to the cerebellum. The vestibular nucleus then sends signals to the oculomotor, trochlea, and abducens nucleus, which are responsible for controlling eye movement, and also to the thalamus, the spinal cord, and the cerebellum. The cerebellum is responsible for coordinating movement throughout the body, so therefore, the vestibular signals help the central nervous system coordinate eye movements and movements throughout the body. Vertigo can be caused by either a peripheral problem, usually affecting the vestibular system, or by a central problem, usually affecting the brainstem or the cerebellum. Now for its causes. Different diseases and conditions can cause vertigo, and they include labyrinthitis, which is inflammation of the inner ear, Meniere's disease, a buildup of fluid in the inner ear, benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, where certain head movements triggers vertigo and usually affects older adults. Common signs and symptoms: vomiting, nausea, dizziness, a loss of balance that makes standing or walking difficult, lightheadedness, headache, and a feeling of fullness in the ear. Avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and tobacco smoking can also help not to trigger vertigo. The volume of the fluid retained in the body that can build up in the inner ear can also be reduced by restricting salt intake. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.